Euro continues its crazy path higher. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has been all over the place in the early hours on Monday as traders try to sort out what to do with all of this volatility. At this point, it looks like they are favoring the euro over the dollar just simply because it appears that the Federal Reserve has some issues on its hands. Whether or not they actually start cutting anytime soon, well, that remains an open question because, quite frankly, we still do have a fairly inflationary environment in America, so the Fed has an issue. So maybe that's what traders are looking at when it comes to the euro against the dollar. When you zoom out to longer term charts, it's obvious that the 1.10 level is an area of significant resistance. So whether or not we can break above there remains to be seen. I suppose you could make an argument for an inverted complex head and shoulders, but it's so choppy, I think that's very difficult. And then when you zoom out on even longer time frames, such as the weekly chart, you can see that although we've been very bullish, we've also been very sideways for about 2 years, which is pretty typical for the euro. So I don't know that we go straight up in the air from here, and I in fact believe sooner or later we will probably see some exhaustion. Because of this, I don't have any interest in trying to chase this pair. Although, if it pulls back to the 1.09 level and bounces, that might be a short-term entry. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.